Right now, this type of videos are going very viral. This niche is exploding right now and has huge viral potential. So don't miss this opportunity, because this type of videos you can easily create on your own mobile phone with only 2 simple steps. So how to create micro camera animal and insect videos using only free AI tools without spending a single dollar. So let's start. First of all, head over to this docs file and copy this master prompt, because this master prompt is universal and you can create numerous different insects and animal videos using this only single prompt. And this prompt link in the description. Now, pasted this prompt in ChatGPT free account, and once you press enter, it will give you the list of 15 insects or small animals. Choose one of these as you like, and if you don't like this list of ideas, just simply ask the name of animal you want to generate. It will work without any issues. But I like European mole. If European mole appears numbers 1 in the list, just type 1 and press enter. Now it will generate 1 image prompt for initial image and 5 motion prompts for video generation. Now copy the first image generation prompt and go to Grok AI. Don't worry, this is free account. Now go to settings and select 16:9 ratio and paste prompt here. After a few seconds, Grok generate multiple images. Choose one of these as you like. Now back to ChatGPT and copy the first video generation prompt and paste it in image prompt, and it will generate second image. Repeat the same process to create all images. When image is done, just back and click this video icon. Now Grok will convert your images into video, just one click. When it will done, just downloads all the videos. Now for editing, just add all the video clips in any editing software and sets one by one. So finally, your video is ready to publish. Their video aiming 50 likes. I hope that you will get it done.